Dear students, in the previous video I told you about the definition of light. Now, light can undergo two types of phenomena. One is reflection and second is refraction. Let first give me introduction about the reflection. What do you mean by reflection? Reflection is happening in the two ways. First is regular reflection and second is irregular reflection. Regular reflection, it is happening on flat, polished, well even surfaced, even surface, flat surface and polished or shining. You can see in the figure the incident ray is falling from somewhere. It is falling on this surface. The point at which it is striking, it is called point of incidence. The point of incidence at that point to the surface, the line segment or the line which is drawn exactly perpendicular, it is called normal. Then at the point of incidence, the ray is then reflecting into the same atmosphere. That's why it is called reflected ray. The important thing for this regular reflection is that the angle which is made between incident ray and the normal and reflected ray and the normal, they are always going to be same. Now, the examples for which the regular reflection is possible, they are plane mirror. Every day we are using that for when we are just getting ready or want to see something. Second example is curved mirror. We'll discuss it later on. And third is still water. That means on the surface of the still water, you can find it is acting like what? Plane mirror, and the phenomena which is happening, it is regular reflection. Now, irregular reflection is happening for the uneven surface or irregular surface. It is happening like when the ray of light, means always we are finding the different regions or the surfaces around us as maximum irregular. Why? Because they are not always polished or flat surfaces. Examples are heap of sand or table or chair or the surface of car. Always we can find what? Not the flat even polished surface. We can find the surface is uneven. So when the ray of light or the beam of light is falling from the certain object, that means the parallel incident rays are falling from certain object and then falling at these 2 points, then you can see the surface is not polished, so rays are scattering into the atmosphere and going in any direction. This kind of reflection is said to be irregular reflection. Now I am going to give you introduction about the phenomena called refraction of light. See, here in the spelling we can find out reflection and refraction. Only one or two letters are changed, but the meaning of it is totally different. Refraction, it is the phenomena of light in which the ray of light is passing from different media. Different media means here you can see the first ray is coming from this side, that is from, say for example, it is coming from air. Now here the surface is that it is glass surface. Suppose a glass surface then and semi-transparent or transparent glass, but the ray of light is passing from air, striking on the surface of the glass, and then it will pass through the glass wholly or partially. When ray of light is passing from one medium to another medium, its path is going to change. Path means its way where it is traveling, it is bit change. We can see here the ray which is incident on the surface, on the glass surface, is instead of going straightway into this direction, it is deviated and it is little bent and it is bent, and so its path is changed. Instead of going in this straight direction, it is going and deviated little bit. This kind of phenomena is said to be refraction. So I can tell you the definition of refraction. The ray of light when passing from one medium to another medium, or rarer to denser or denser to rarer medium, or thinner to thicker or thicker to thinner medium, its path is deviated, means changed. This phenomena of ray of light or the beam of light is said to be refraction.